Hello everyone, welcome to Real Class. My name is still Ido MA, and this time around we are looking at test of orals. Test of orals simply refers to spoken English. It projects the way we speak English in real life, all right? The way we are supposed to speak our English, all right? So if in our normal English we have 26 letters, of which we have 5 vowels and 21 consonant sounds. In test of orals or spoken English, we have 24 consonant sounds, and in the course of this lecture, we are going to look at these various sounds that we have, as well as the examples that we have under them. All right? So, the first one here is B. Take note, you don't have this slash there. This slash that we have here, then it is just a letter. But the moment you have this slash, it is not a letter this time around, but it has become what they call a sound. And this is B sound. Pronounce after me. We have B sound. B sound. Right? So we have uh, this sound occurring in words with a single B, and of course the ones with double B. Now we have other single B, we have bag, then we have bends, we have bends. The under here we have bag, all right, then we have bends, all right, then we have able, all right, then we have what they call lab. Then it's not just in a single B. What about the one that has double B's? Then we have here case of babble, all right, babble, BB sounds, babble. Then we have rubble, like arm rubble, all right, armed rubble. Then we have what they call rubble for plastic, rubble for plastic, right? So that's where you find it. Now we look at the next consonant sounds, which is D sound. What did I call it? Pronounce after me. D sound. In this case, we still have single D, all right? Words with single D, they fall under this, and words still with double D, they fall under this. So here we have the first one as deaf, right? We have deaf. Then we have shady. We have shady. Then what about the one that has double D? Where you have daddy, right? Daddy, double D. Then ladder. We have ladder. Pronounce after me. Ladder. That's what you have here, all right, as double D. All right. Now, that's that. In our next video or class, we look at other consonant sounds that we have in spoken English.